Hi there you guys, I'm Teddy Bijouteo Beading, and in today's tutorial I'm gonna be showing you in super easy steps, beginners friendly, how to make these beautiful seed beads earrings. If you're new here, consider subscribing with the bell with more content like this. Also like, share and comment to motivate me to make more tutorials. You might wanna become a member. That comes with video courses and digital patterns. You could check more info in the description and at the join button. Okay guys, and I'm using really simple stuff. 2 colors of 11/0 seed beads. You could use 10/0, earring findings, nylon thread 0.3 millimeters of thickness. You could use other thread of your choice, size 11 beading needle, you could use similar size, and scissors. And now I'm going to take about an arm span of thread on my needle and I'll be back. Okay guys, and I'm starting my work by picking up 4 of those beautiful pink beads. I'm going to slide those down, leave a small tail here, stick my needle in my mat, and I want to make a knot. And how I'm making my knot, the familiar way, by making a loop and going twice through this loop, and then making just one more knot to be sure that it's all tight and secure. And now I have this beautiful cross, or also called right angle weave, as a stitch. Then guys, in my next step I want to go through the following pink bead. You see what I have now? Taking 2 dark blue beads, and as I'm exiting from this pink, I go through the following. Two dark blue, go in the next pink, two more dark blue beads, next pink. You see what I have now? And again I repeat the same thing. And I want to have these guys. Now as I'm exiting from this pink bead, I want to go here in this dark blue. Take 2 pinks and go like this through the following 2 dark blue beads. Another 2 pink beads and go through the next 2. Another 2, go in the next 2. And at my last step, after I go through this blue one, I also go through the pink. If you can do this in one movement, if not, you could do it in 2 movements, whatever you like. Now I need 2 blue, and again a dark blue, this time 1. And I will continue this until the end of this row, 2 1 2 1. Now I need pink and dark blue, I go like this. A pink one. A pink one. And again pink and blue. And I'm going to continue these guys until the end of this row. And here at the last step, pay attention where you go. You go through this dark bead. Don't make the mistake to go through the pink one. And then we have pink and dark blue. Pink. And then dark blue. Again, dark blue. Pink and blue. Pink. Dark blue. Dark blue. And repeat this 2 more times. And with the last dark blue, pay attention where you're going. Don't make the mistake to go through the top pink, but go through the bottom one, because we were always going through this one in the previous steps. Okay, I have this. And I need 1 blue bead, and then here I'm gonna be adding only pink ones. Okay, 4 pink beads, 1 dark blue again, and 4 pink. One dark blue, and I'm going to continue these guys until the end of this row. Now guys, I'm going to do a little trick here. Okay, I'm going in the next blue bead, just like that. And the trick is that I'm going to turn directions. So I will go back through this bead and through the next 2 pink beads. Okay, I'm going first through one of the pinks. And then through the other one. Okay, now I have this. And now guys, because I'm right-handed, it's easier for me to flip my work. That is why I'm going to flip just like this. And by the way, you can cut this tail thread at this point. And you can burn it with a zipper if it's sticking out. And I need a pink one. A dark one. And a pink one. Then again I reposition to exit out of those 2 pink beads. A pink one, a dark one, and a pink one. Reposition. A pink. A dark and a pink. Again, I want to exit out of those 2 pink beads and the same sequence. Now guys, I'm going through all of those beads and exiting here at the top. I take 6 beads and 6 blue beads, you see, and I go here at this blue one. Then I take 5 pink beads and I go here in the next dark blue that is sticking out. Another 6. Then 5. And continue the same way until the end. And the last 5. What I would like to do is go around the edges here. And then I want to make a knot and cut my thread. And how I'm going to do this, I just make here a loop, go twice through the loop I've made, pull, and then go in this direction and cut this tail thread. Okay friends, and I'm here at the last step where I need to attach my earring finding. And how I do this, I just open this one up like this, you see, with my pliers. And I go here, and then all I need to do is squeeze back. Okay guys, and now my spiral easy seed beads earrings with herringbone and peyote stitch are ready. So if you like them and you wanna see more and more content like this, it's a good idea to subscribe with the bell if you still haven't. Also like, share and comment for more videos like this. You might also want to become a member that comes with perks like video courses and digital beading patterns. Thank you so much for watching. Now click on the video that you see on your screen and continue creating.